Hey there, Instagram enthusiasts! Welcome back! Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have been curious about: how to make money from Instagram even if you have under 2,000 followers. That's right, you don't need a massive following to start monetizing your Instagram presence. Stick around, because I've got some fantastic strategies and tips to share with you. Segment 1: Leveraging your niche. The first key to monetizing your Instagram with a smaller follower count is to leverage your niche. Find that unique passion or interest that sets you apart and resonates with your audience. Whether it's fashion, fitness, cooking, or even quirky facts, identifying your niche allows you to create content that genuinely speaks to your followers. Segment 2: Crafting high-quality content. Content is king, folks. When you're working with a smaller follower base, each post needs to count. Focus on creating high-quality, visually appealing content. Invest time in your captions, use relevant hashtags, and don't shy away from storytelling. Remember, it's not about quantity, but the value you provide through your content. Segment 3: Building authentic connections. Unlike influencers with millions of followers, you have a unique advantage: the ability to build authentic connections. Take time to engage with your followers' comments, respond to their messages, and genuinely show that you care about their feedback. This personal touch will set you apart and foster a loyal community. Segment 4: Collaborating with micro-influencers. Ready to boost your reach? Consider collaborating with micro-influencers within your niche. These individuals have a dedicated and engaged audience that aligns with your content. Through shoutouts, partnerships, or takeovers, you can tap into a new pool of followers who are likely to be interested in what you offer. Segment 5: Monetization strategies. Let's talk money. There are several ways you can monetize your Instagram account, even with under 2,000 followers. From sponsored posts and affiliate marketing to selling your products or services, these avenues can generate a steady income stream. Remember, it's all about showcasing value to your audience. Segment 6: The power of consistency. Consistency is the secret ingredient. Post regularly, engage with your audience consistently, and stay true to your niche. Over time, your dedication will pay off as your followers grow, and your engagement increases. The more you put in, the more you'll get out. There you have it, Instagrampreneurs. Making money from Instagram with under 2,000 followers is not only possible but also exciting and rewarding. Remember, it's about quality content, authentic connections, and smart monetization strategies. So, start implementing these tips, stay patient, and watch your Instagram journey transform. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out. Until next time, keep shining on Instagram.